How to fix QR code not working on Android. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if QR code is not working on Android. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up your camera app. Now, tap on this gear icon to open up your settings. Here, you will find the option of scan QR codes. Make sure that you toggle this option on. Once that is done, head back to your camera. Now point it towards the QR code, and as you can see, it has successfully scanned that QR. But if it still doesn't work, then the next solution is you want to restart your device. So go ahead and tap on the restart option, or you can tap on power off. Then after a couple of minutes, you again want to power on your phone, open your camera app and check if your problem is fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.